Many visitors to Lerwick will arrive at Victoria Pier, and that's why the Welcome to Shetland sign is on the esplanade. Shetland is a timeless place of endless beauty, from beautiful summer's days to just 6 hours of daylight in the deep of winter. This film gives a glimpse of the main town Lerwick to provide just a flavour of this historic place. Lerwick is the capital and main port of the Shetland Islands, located on the east coast of mainland Shetland. More recently, Shetland has become famous for its fictional detective Jimmy Perez from the BBC television series named after the islands, Shetland. Shetland has a population of about 7,500 residents, making up nearly 1/3 of Shetland's total population. The town's name comes from the Old Norse Leirvik, meaning muddy bay.